ito na ang hinihintay natin mga kabriks, ang super viral ngayon na videos and reflectorials ni Joseph Marco. Grabe guys, as in bukol na bukol talaga yung lower portion niya, yung muscles, yung arms, as in showcase talaga. Ang sarap talaga, kasi nabubulol lang sa kanya guys. Grabe, to the highest level talaga ang labanan. Grabe yung pagbukol niya, as in kitang-kita talaga ang kaseksyan kaya malicious and delicious ni Joseph Marco. Grabe guys, ang pictorials na ito, ang endorsement na ito, as in to the highest level talaga ang labanan, as in umaabot sa kaya malicious, as in to the highest talaga guys. Manggigigil ka na lang talaga, as in Joseph Marco. Sobrang gwapo, sobrang moreno wear, as in machete talaga. 101% perfect ang dating, as in guys, kung ikaw na mo tanaw siguro guys, makaingon jud ka Joseph Marco, you're the best, you're the one, you're the mean talaga, as in grabe ang gwapo mo, ang ganda ng katawan niya, as in nakakadamilicious talaga guys, as in makakatakam ka na lang talaga sa pabukol ng kanyang lower portion, as in bakat talaga, as in bukol talaga, at to the highest na talaga ang labanan guys. Grabe as in makaingon lang yun ka. Grabe guys, so windang talaga ang sangkabaklaan sa pictorials na ng underwear ni Joseph Marco. Grabe ba naman talaga guys, umaapoy, lumalagablab talaga sa kapitigan ng pangatawan niya guys. As in sarap talaga, as in to the highest level na talaga ang labanan, as in kumita talaga ng malaki sa endorsement na to, ang endorsement na ito ni Joseph Marco guys, as in makakagigil, as in